Hello students, welcome to my channel Practice with Dhruvin. So guys, I have come up with a very special video. Now here what I have decided is, in this particular video, I have called 5 of my ex-students, the students who have appeared for the boards just this year. And what we will be doing is, we'll be speaking to them and I'll be asking them some questions and I'll be basically asking them to share the tips, some important tips which you guys can follow and implement in the remaining 4 months. So here guys, these are students who have just passed out from boards from the 2020 batch, and they will be sharing some important tips which will help you in preparing for every subject of your board exam. We'll move to group 3 subjects, fine. So we'll start with commercial application. Ayush had commercial application. So Ayush, what would be your tip for this subject, commercial application?
Commercial application is basically a theory subject. So you should just learn the definitions by heart
Definitions.
and
Okay.
yeah, definitions and then features, all that you
Okay,
have to
there are
learn.
basically briefs where they ask features of some terms or some situation.
Yes.
Fair enough. Next, moving to PE. Nidhi,
Yes, sir. PE is a little complicated. It's divided into two parts. There's
correct.
sports and there's bio.
PE bio, correct.
And yeah,
Nidhi,
and for
Nidhi,
sports,
you have
yes, sir.
studied PE. So how much
Yes.
in PE bio, how much of normal 9th and 10th bio do you have?
Oh, nothing.
Nothing. Oh,
Honestly speaking, nothing.
okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. This bio is mainly related to sports. Like 9th grade PE bio is completely bio.
Completely bio.
But
Okay.
yeah, but 10th grade PE bio is more like how to deal with sports part of it.
Got it. Got it. Because
Exactly.
students say that we have taken PE because it's easy and because it is bio. So हम पढ़ने ही वाले हैं.
They say it's easy because in sports they'll ask you stuff like when is it a no ball, and then you just have to write.
All right.
Yeah. So mainly PE for sports, you just need to know a lot of points. Like if it's a 3-mark question for bio, you have to write 6 points. That is a necessity.
Every point is half mark basically.
Every point is half mark.
Okay.
You need to know keywords. Keywords are very important. Even in bio, if you know the keywords and you frame the rest of it on your own, it's fine. You will get marks.
Super.
Same for sports. In sports, so even if you watch the sport and if you write some things with like 1 or 2 keywords here and there, you'll still get marks.
Super.
But
Fair
we
enough.
can't underestimate the subject because if you don't have the keywords,
Then you will
it's
lose
gone
marks.
for a toss. You'll lose marks everywhere.
Fair enough. All right. Dia. So Dia had taken cookery. Yes, Dia. What would be your tip for cookery?
Cookery is very easy.
Just one thing, Dia, just before you start. Guys, I remember Dia used to bring this, big bundle of some 200, 300 pages. I don't know whether you have to learn all of that. So if Dia, you could just tell what is, you have to, all of that. That's tough. That's
so in your 10th K boards, you have 9th ka portion plus 10th ka portion, and it's a lot, but it's very easy.
Okay.
And they don't ask you detailed questions. You just have to ratify everything, and you should know at least 4 examples of everything. At least 4 examples, and you don't have to get
everything as in Dia. Examples of everything as in.
Like sources of vitamin A, B12, and
4 examples of that.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Got it.
Food and everything. Yes.
Got it.
And you should learn at least 5 to 6 points for each heading, because in section 2 you have only 5-mark questions, so you have to learn 5 points at least to satisfy the wants.
Super. Done.
And diagrams is not really needed. But like
diagrams is not
even if
important.
you make kitchen ke diagrams, layouts and all, that will be a plus point. And
more attractive.
underline your keyword.
Yes, that's more for presentation.
What?
That's more for presentation.
Yeah.
The answer will look attractive.
Yes, they will not ask you to draw layouts and all, so it's not really important.
Okay.
But they may ask you to identify the type of layout of the kitchen, so you should learn it.
Fair enough. Super. And guys, Karuna and Yash both have taken TD, technical drawing. So we'll start with Karuna. What would be your tip for technical drawing TD Corona?
TT is basically doing all the previous year's question paper.
Okay.
And if you get all the concepts clear, then you can do any sum. And you have to pay attention on every single detail of the question. Because even a small, even if a small detail is missing, like you did not write the
Then you will
name
not
of the
get the right
axis,
figure.
you won't get the right figure. Also, you don't get the right marks also for it.
Of course. Yeah. Fair enough. Yash?
Yeah, so TD is a completely practical subject wherein the concept is very important. Without the concept, TD is like nothing. So you need to learn the concepts very well to make the figures and all the other diagrams.
Accurate.
If your now TD paper is not predictable because the board can ask any question, any shape.
Anything. Okay.
But if your concept is clear, you can attempt all the questions
All the
easily, and you should make your like in some questions there are small projections or very small details to be mentioned, and you need to accurately do that so to get marks. So that's
Fair
very
enough.
important.
Super, super. So you need
Should
more
even
accuracy.
allot
Basically. You need to
time.
practice more
Should
for
even-
getting that accuracy. Yes, Karuna.
You should even allot time for a particular question because even some students miss out their paper, even for a
So
3
time management is
part.
required. And what is your ideal time, Karuna, for every question? How many minutes should you give?
25 minutes.
25 minutes. Fair
20
enough.
to 25 minutes.
20 to 25 minutes. All right. Super, guys. So that's about it. So that was all the three groups, group 1, group 2, and group 3.